Hey everybody, I'm Robert the Zombiebargainhunter, and today I'm going to be meeting up with my toy man again. He says he has 30 more boxes for me to go through and sort. You can see I have plenty of boxes. I'm bringing them back to him. I asked him if he wanted his boxes back. I'm like, I can't hold all these boxes. I would have to trash them, and they're really nice boxes. So I asked him if he wanted them back. He's like, oh yeah, please. And I'm like, ooh, good. I didn't want to throw these guys away. But anyways, first up, I stopped by Wendy's. I got, this is a Frappuccino or something Chino. I don't know what the heck it is. And I got the new Baconator sandwich. Well, new to me. I'm never up this early. I got the new Baconator sandwich. So hopefully it's good, and hopefully this Frosty Chino or Cappuccino or whatever Chino it is good. Anyways, let's get going. I just picked up all the stuff. Let's see, there's a Playmobil set. I don't even know what Playmobil is, but I know they sell for good money. It's a pretty big set. And let me go back there and show you everything. Well, not everything. I got 30, I believe he said he got 30 boxes, so I have a lot of stuff. Let me go through a whole bunch of it, and hopefully we got a lot of great stuff. I saw a lot of good things already, so let's get over there. Alright, hopefully it's not too windy. It's super windy out here. But this is a NECA Planet of the Apes. It's a pretty heavy Attar bust. He looks funny. We got Epic Duels Star Wars game. Try to put that down. What else do we have? Let's see. Sequest, whatever this goofy guy is. Got a Kiss the Towel. A bunch of Star Wars things. Creepy Freaks. Look at that guy. I've never seen these guys before. Neon Light from Kiss. It's pretty big too. I don't know if you can tell, but yeah, it's pretty nice size. We have a Neon Clock. Kiss Neon Clock. Nope, it doesn't want to stay. I'm trying to put it there. Alright, stay. So what else we have? I said we got a lot of boxes to go through, so I'll show you a little bit of what I got. Sonic, Crash, and Smash. Okay. Deluxe Stormtrooper. Oh, I'm dropping things now. NASCAR, whoever that is. Terry Labonte. Street Fighter Blanca. Yeah, that guy looks funny looking. Fury Road. A lot of cool things in here. Kiss. Psycho Circus. Okay. Alright, let's see what else we can find. Oh, we have this. It's. Oh, I almost dropped it. Kiss Love Gun. There's like sticks and backstage pass and tickets. And we have a rotating wall clock from Kiss. So there's a lot of cool Kiss merchandise. Let me go on the side, see what else we can find. Alright, oh, cool. We have a Marvin the Martian. I don't know how much they're worth or anything, but I will sure find out. Star Wars card game. And we have a nice haul. Some of these cards, these are invaders. Some baseball stuff down there. Oh, this is cool. Look at this. Blizzard Primal Rage. That was a video game, so I think it looks like there's another one. Let's see. So we have a pink monkey and a blue monkey from Primal Rage. Well, there's a G.I. Joe guy on a motorcycle. It's from Savage. Then another Sequest guy. Here's what like a stingray there. We have Wetworks. It's like a Spawn. I don't know if it's a spin-off or what. I'm not too familiar with it, but I know it sells pretty well. I put one on the floor. Let's see if I can show you. Gridiron Greats. More Star Wars collector. Oh, cool. We have a Jack Skellington. Yeah, he's holding a little pumpkin. Then we have some big Star Wars guys. I don't know who those guys are. Let's see if I can get one out. What the heck is that? Is that Marino? I don't know. Let's see what else. We have another Spawn. Crazy Spawn guy. This is Shadow Hawk. Troll. Another, that's Youngblood. Damage the packaging. Total Chaos, Ultra Action Figure. I don't know what that is. Oops. The lid is not cooperating with me right now. Sammy Sosa. And a few more guys. Alright, I brought out a couple more boxes. Just to give you an idea of what else I have. These are like Pokemon Valentine's cards. Okay. What is this? Gene Simmons model kit? I guess you make a Gene Simmons? I don't know. That's new to me. Some cars. Okay. Some other Pokemon items. Oh, they're like Pokeballs. Huh, have like, I don't know, a charm in there, or I don't know what that is. Battle bags? This stuff's weird. We got Jabba the Hutt with some slime, I guess, and like little creatures on it. So there's a lot of weird things in here, which is cool. Wow, what's this thing? Star Wars Episode 1 figure 2-pack. Oh, Star Trek. That's different. I don't know what that is. Oh, we have the Simpsons, the set. This is where they talk. This is where you put the figures and they talk on set. And there's one more. Let's see. Packaging isn't the best on this, but it'll still sell. You can see "Try Me" on the side panel. I doubt it works still. Nah, the batteries are long dead. But yeah, these are just the Simpson set. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new. And don't fiddle fart around. Get all your listings up. I have a lot of listing to do. Take care. Bye.